What's up, guys? I've got a special treat. We're at a local dealership here close to Diamond C, the factory, and right behind me here is a classic. It's only about 2 years younger than me, so it kind of tells you I'm not super old, but it is like at a 1990 model. I'm gonna flip it around. So let's kind of give it a once over. This dealership, they brought it in, they did some brake work, service, put some tires on it, kind of updated the badging, the logo. But back in the day, you would use the 12-inch channel neck all the way to the back. You got the old school adjustable coupler there, the 12-inch channel in the neck. Still use 6-inch channel lace rail. This one, you see they put the engineered beam. It's not engineered beam, it's structural, but even you got, the old bridge frame under the bottom. This individual retrofitted with this kind of galvanized floor grate over time. But this one's probably a 25, maybe like a 28-foot trailer. You got the old bridge frame. They say you got 12K axles. Back here we had the two I-beam ramps with the center pop-up in the middle, the old floating hinge design. It's a pretty sweet trailer. It's in good shape for its age, for sure. The old guy's had it since brand new. It's funny, he actually bought it from my dad in 1990 here in Mount Pleasant. He sold them right out of the door at the factory, which was behind our house where we grew up, where Diamond C started. This guy, kind of local individual, bought it from him, has been using it ever since. Absolutely loves the trailer. So pretty cool. It's nice to see these old guys still out working.